filling up the water. We still haven't told you guys why we're leaving, but we will. We just said goodbye to everyone in Margs, which was so sad. But yeah, we're so grateful to have met such amazing people here while living here for only 2 months, and it feels like we've made friends for life, so it's super special. But yeah, it's time to move on. Tommy's received a job offer that he just cannot say no to. Got the water. We're driving up to Perth tonight, and tomorrow we're going to be going to Rottnest Island for a day trip, which is super exciting. Good morning everyone. So we are on our way to Rottnest Island ferry terminal at the moment. It's just like 6 o'clock. I think our ferry leaves at 7:30, but we've got to make breakfast and fill up our water bottles because apparently there's no water stations on the island. You have to buy water there.
We've got to pack all our stuff before we go. Food, drink, sunscreen.
Yeah, so the reason why we decided to up and leave so all of a sudden was because Tommy got a job offer in Sydney as a tour guide working for Welcome to Travel that we've been promoting so many times.
Yeah, the guys from Welcome to Travel we've been sort of in contact with for so long. Like, I booked all my sort of travel through them, and we ended up booking again like when we wanted to do the East Coast. We were on their Welcome to Travel Sydney video, which was so much fun. And then yeah, it's just such a good atmosphere between us all that when they were like, you know, do you wanna come work with us? We've got loads of people to interview, but I reckon you'd be a good candidate. Obviously I had to go for it.
Yeah, so it's in Sydney, so that means we're gonna have to drive across the whole south coast, and we're literally rushing up to see Rottnest Island because we found out it literally yesterday. We found out, and we had to call our jobs and be like, this has happened so quickly, we've got to go now. It's like originally we were going to leave in maybe 3 weeks or so, so they knew that we were going to leave, but we just didn't know they would be so soon. We wanted to do a few days on Rottnest, but we're going to have to squish it and do 1 day because hopefully we can come back. So we booked our bikes for the whole day, which were like $30, which is not bad, and we booked our ferry, and it's a Thursday today, and I think that's why it was so cheap, half price, because we booked our ferry for like $50, right, each?
Oh, less than that.
Really? Less than that? Yeah, I think it's half price on Tuesday and Thursday. That's what someone said, I'm not sure. Yeah, we're gonna try and see as much of the island as we can, and it's famous for its little quokkas, and they are like the cutest animal in the world, so I can't wait to see them. And they're only like on Rottnest Island pretty much. So we're boarding our ferry, Rottnest Express, from Fremantle. We've already found a quokka and another one. Crow, it would be mean. Hey, you are so cute. Hey. We got our bikes finally, and now we're biking around the island. We think we chose the south end first. We've made it to Parker Point. It's a workout cycling up these hills. I've almost fallen off the bike twice as well so far. So this is Little Salmon Bay, which is one of the best snorkeling spots, but there's quite a few people here, so we're gonna just keep on cycling. We made it to, oh, I forgot my helmet on, Salmon Bay, and it looks insane. This is one of the good snorkeling spots. our way to the West End now. It's hard. We made it to this little cafe van. Didn't think there was going to be a cafe in the end. Oh, Tommy's craving a coffee. We haven't had a coffee yet today, so we're really decaffeinated. I got a juice. So refreshing. And Tommy got an iced coffee with actual ice cream. How good does that look? Wait, there's a sign there that says there's fur seals that way. So we're gonna park our bikes and take a walk, see if we can find some seals. They're just chilling. Falafel wraps for lunch. This dude likes spinach leaves. Spinach.
Looking for more, look.
We made it to West End. We made it to the very west of the island. Woo! So now we're gonna bike ride and make our way across the top. This cove looks so pretty, but you can't swim here.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Bay. We've almost made it round. We found this little beach called Pinkies with a bar.
Yeah, we made it officially like 90% the way around now.
Yeah, we're pretty much all the way around the island almost. So we've got lots of time, so we just stopped at this beach called Pinkies Beach, and there's a bar, like a beach club bar thing. We made it around. We started like here. We made it around the bottom, went all the way to the very west, and we made it all the way up to the top, and right now we are here, Pinky Beach. So pretty impressed with us. That trail was, the whole way around, was 22-kilometer bike ride.
My legs feel now.
Yeah, mine too.
I'm so glad that we did it.
Tomorrow I'm not going to be able to walk.
You can't go see the seals, the first seals, if you don't go all the way to the other side of the island.
Yeah.
It was so worth it.
Yeah, that was awesome.
But there was a point where I thought I was going to die.
Yeah. We started at like, what, 8:45?
Yeah.
We had a little hiccup because we went the wrong way. We like...
A little hiccup.
We had a little hiccup. I don't know how it happened, but we ended up doing a loop and we went to the same place twice, which I do not know how that happened. But yeah, we started at like 9, 8:45, and now it's 2, so we've been going for a good few hours. Well, we deserve it.
We did, we earned this. We did, we do.
Bye bye, friend. We got ice cream because we're so tired. Our legs are like killing us right now.
And it's hot.
And it's so hot, yeah. I got Tommy got pistachio,
Yeah.
and I got peanut butter. So good. So now we're people watching.
Go to a museum as well. We
Yeah.
learned about the actual history of the island. The government are having more plans to keep it a more respectful place.
It's got a pretty horrible history, so definitely read up on that if you come to Rottnest Island. It's got quite a sad history, so yeah, it's not just a happy holiday island. The sun is just setting and the sky is so stunning. We just had some cocktails at the Pinkies Beach bar again. I didn't really film them. I filmed them on my story. They were really good. And now we're just seeing if we can get the ferry back. There's a baby in the pouch there, guys. Oh my god. It's like adorable. Oh my god, he's tiny. So we're out here at the jetty. We've been sitting around for like an hour and a half now, not really knowing what to do with ourselves because we booked on to the 9 PM return to Fremantle ferry. And
Cold now.
It's getting cold, and we kind of wished that we had booked in earlier on because we did want to do some driving tonight down to Denmark or something, but we're really tired right now.
But we also, yeah, we wanted maximum time on this island, so
yeah,
we definitely did get that. Whoa, my hair looks blue.
it does look blue, and it's so cold. We're in our shorts and we bought hoodies. Yeah, we've just been chilling out with the Quokkas all evening, and there's not a ferry here, so we got really freaked out that the last ferry left at 6:30 because there's a sign there saying 6:30, and we're like, Tommy's phone's dead as well, so yeah, we're just fingers crossed that the ferry's gonna come. We made it. The boat came.
So we're not going to
We won't be homeless, stranded on the island.
sleep in the sand.
We are so tired, but such a good day.
And now we're going to be on our way officially south and then east, back to the east coast.
En route, Sydney. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know the parts where I was using my vlog camera were really bad quality and they're on that weird setting again. I'm so sorry. I don't know how I didn't notice this whole time that it was on that setting. It is just really annoying, and I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, luckily I did use my other camera and the GoPro and the drone, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video anyway. We really loved Rottnest Island and would recommend anyone going there. Such a cool experience. It's doable to bike around the whole island in a day, but make sure you get there like early and preferably like before the heat of the day starts, because the queues to the bike rental get pretty busy and it just gets hotter and hotter throughout the day. But such a cool experience. Really loved it. As I said, we managed to bike around the whole thing. It must have taken us like 5 hours, because we said we started around 9, we finished around 2, so that's like 5 hours, and then that was us like stopping and stuff as well. Say 6 to be sure. But yeah, really loved it. And in the next video we're going to be making our way down, as I said, towards Denmark, Esperance, Albany, all of those stunning southwest areas with crystal clear blue water, the most stunning beaches we've probably seen in our whole lives, we found in the south of the west coast. So that will be the next episode, so look forward to that one, and give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you enjoyed it, click the subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all, bye.